Hey again, let me talk in this video about another built-in function which name it reduce. So to get started with reduce, I will create a new file. I name it reduce function, and this reduce function have this just list element from 1 to 10. So now I want to sum all these elements. How I do that? First of all, I have defined something sum equals 0. Then I do for loop through the items in the list. So item in the list that I have it. Then really easy, I do sum equal sum plus the item value. Then he will continue until he done. When he done, I will do print for sum. So now you assure some element was able, so not debug it, sorry, run it. So you will see sum 55. Now this is the basic way, but we could do it with reduce. Reduce is a really good function. So here with reduce, here without reduce, to make sure just we are good without reduce. So with reduce, the process is really simple. You're just reducing the element. So let you suppose sum 1 equal, I'm reducing, just I define reduce, reduce, then I give it two parameters. First parameter, the function, how I reduce the element. So I will say lambda, for every x, y coming, I will return x plus y, because I need to sum the element. For what? For the list item. So what reduce will do, really easy and simple. Reduce will take first two element and as input, and he do sum for it. Then he do it this two the result of 2 with this one, then result of 3 with this one, then result of 4 of them with this one, then result of 5 of them with this one. Then he will continue. Now if I just print sum, you have to give me print sum. There we go, I'm done. But if you see there is error, he wasn't able to now reduce because it is in specific namespace. So make sure you say from function tool, this one, function tools, import reduce, because reduce is the part from function tool library. So you have to do import for reduce. How you do that? You say from that library import this function, and you should be all set. Now if I just run it again, see 55, really simple. So how do you see how it's doing? How do the process? Same process with very reduced number of line. Here we done, and thank you for watching.